Hey friends, thank you so much for watching and welcome back. I'm Stacey, and in today's video I'm sharing with you a few outfits I just recently ordered directly from Walmart.com, the Pioneer Woman clothing line. I'm so excited to share these pieces with you guys, so let's get started. Some of you may recognize this first outfit on, and I actually wore this a couple videos ago. This is the Midnight Floral Crepe Blouse. It's a 3/4 inch sleeve with a nice elastic sleeve right over here. This size is in an extra small, but if you remember from my previous video, and if you did not see that, I will link it below, but in my previous video I had the pullover Capri pants in a size medium. I recently returned them, ordered a size small, and they fit so much better, guys. I just love the way these fit. Now, I am 5'4", about 144 pounds for height reference, weight reference, and all that good stuff. And these pants are in a size small. They just fit so much better. But going back to this top, it has the nice split V-neck right over here. It's more like a crepe material with the 3/4 inch sleeve, and of course it has the little elastic sleeve right over here. And this is about $19.99. I'm gonna back up so you guys can see the pants. Here are the Capri pants in a dark wash and just elastic waist. These are a size small. They do have 2 functioning pockets in the back. The front are just kind of sewn in. There's no pocket there or anything like that. But guys, these pants, I really like these pants. The way they feel, the way they slip on. And I believe these are currently on sale for $9.99. I originally paid $16.99, but then when I returned them, I lucked out and was able to pick them up for $9.99. So I will link everything below for you guys. But yeah, these are definitely I really like these pants. They're very comfortable. I'm able to move up and down very easily in them. They have a little split hem on the side over here. It's about 1.5 inches split right over there. But I just love the way they feel, the dark finish. I just think very, very nice, very cute. Looks really good all together. So let me untuck this shirt so you guys can see how long this is, because what's nice about this top is that you could actually wear this with a pair of leggings. Look how long that is. Very nice. So if you prefer to cover the back end or anything like that, this would be perfect for a pair of leggings. I like the little slit in the side here, but I definitely just like all the little florals and the bold color. One of my favorite pieces so far. So it was so funny because a few minutes ago I was walking out in the kitchen and my daughter's like, "That must be a Pioneer Woman." I'm like, "Yeah, that's right," because it has her signature floral print. But that was funny. She didn't even realize I was you are right. But yeah, one of my favorite tops here. So all right, the next top I have is this beautiful embroidered. Check this out. Let me bring that in closer for you guys. Can you see that? Look at that embroidered print right over there. It has the split V-neck. Now, I was only able to get this in a size medium, so hopefully this will fit. It is the 3/4 inch sleeve right over here. It is a very sheer material, so hopefully it doesn't, show through too much, but I just love this embroidered print right over here. The little flowers and the striping. I'm gonna bring that in closer again so you guys can get a good look of that. Look how beautiful that detail is. Now this top was, $22.99, and I'm gonna try this on and I'll be right back. All right guys, what do you think? I love this top. I was a little concerned because it is a size medium, so it is a little bit roomy, but the way it flows and feels on you, actually the size doesn't bother me at all. And oh my goodness, I was concerned that this would be see-through, and it is not see-through at all. It just feels so soft, and it actually feels like a very fancy top. The material, I like how look how the sleeves kind of balloon like that. Isn't that sweet? And then it kind of has more of like the sleeve. I don't even know if this is a thing, but the sleeve has like that peplum, am I saying that right? Peplum look and everything. But let me bring that in closer. Check out that sleeve. See how you can see that hemline right over there? And then it kind of like balloons out, but I'm gonna back up. I paired it again with the same capris. But yeah, I definitely love the way this feels. all the detail right here is just so pretty. Look at that detail and the embroidered flowers and the stripe and the spring colors. Oh my goodness, guys. Yeah, this top is definitely very nice. And like I said, I did order this in a medium. This was priced at $22.99 and it's called the 3/4 sleeve embroidered crepe blouse. But let me back this up right over here so you guys get a full length. I did tuck it into, I did the half tuck with the Capri pants, but I really think this would be great with a pair of black leggings as well. Let me untuck that for you guys so you can get a good idea as far as that. Here you can kind of tell it is a little larger in the size medium, so I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Should I size down to maybe a small or extra small? I was only able to get a medium at the time, and I was so excited. I was like, I gotta just check this top out. So should I keep the medium or should I size down? If I keep the medium, I definitely think, you know, tucking it in is fine. But then, you know, maybe kind of having it out, it kind of, you know, balloons out just maybe a little bit too much. But yeah, definitely a soft, very thin material, guys. So this is perfect for spring, for summer weather. For those of you that don't know, I'm located in South Florida, so this is perfect for those summer months, especially August and September, because it's just so light. But oh, definitely like this one, guys. All right, so now our next piece we're gonna go into is a dress. I ordered, what is this called? This is the 3/4 inch sleeve. She must love the 3/4 inch sleeve, so. And this is the A-line dress right over here. I just thought it was such a pretty purple color, perfect for spring. Now I did order this in a size small, but what I liked about it is on the bottom here is look at all that floral print. Isn't that beautiful? Very pretty, all those flowers. So I'm gonna try this on. I'll be right back and let you know what I guys think, so. So here is dress number one. This is the 3/4 inch sleeve A-line dress in the purple color. I did order this in a size small. It's a very thin material, very cool material, and very soft as well. Let me back up so you guys can see the pretty floral print, but I love the little floral print here. I think it adds something to the dress. It fits very nicely. It's very light. You can move around very easily. I did pair it with a pair of nude colored slippers, but this would be really cute with a strappy sandal, or even a pair of white sneakers would be very cute with this to kind of run around. But here's the back and everything. Definitely like this dress. Like I said, it's very soft. And I really just kind of like the little print on the bottom here. I think it adds a little touch of detail. This dress was $9.99, and yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, but definitely like this dress. So, alrighty, now we're gonna head off to this next dress, and I cannot wait, guys. This is called the Embroidered Umbrella Dress in this blue color right here. I did order a size small. But check out all this embroidered print. Isn't that so pretty? I love all the little details that she adds into her clothing line. I just think it's it has like a garden feel. So definitely perfect for spring and summer. Well, let me go try this on and I'll be right back. I forgot to mention in the last dress, it is a pull-over dress. There are no zippers or buttons or anything like that. Similar to this dress that I just slipped on, and this, oh my gosh, I love the colors of this dress. I just love all the detail of the flowers here, and it's embroidered and stitched in very nicely. Now this again is another slip-over dress as well. There's no buttons or anything like that. This one is called the Embroidered Umbrella Dress for $9.99. I did pair it with a belt because you guys know my shape. It's kind of like a square, like SpongeBob SquarePants is what I always say. But oh my goodness, I just love the way this dress feels. And it's, oh my gosh, it has, again, that same material, that same soft and cool material. It is a short sleeve. I love the split neck right over here. I added the belt just to give myself a little bit more of a waist. Let me know what you guys think, if I should keep the belt. I'll show it to you without the belt, but let me back up. It is a pretty long dress. Now they call it an umbrella dress right over here. So the sides come in a little short and then it kind of goes out long. I paired it with a pair of these brown booties because I thought, you know what, this just kind of reminds me of a little country dress, something that would be perfect if you're going to a spring or country wedding, especially if it's like a wedding out in the barn and everything. This would just be perfect. So it's flowy too if you want to kind of, yeah, I can imagine doing some line dancing right over here, you know, getting your two-step on and whatnot, but this is a cute, cute dress. Let me show you what it looks like without the belt. I felt like it just hung a little too much, and but here it is without the belt, right over here. So I don't know, I felt like the belt was a little nicer, just kind of gave me more of a waist. I will say this material does wrinkle pretty easily, only because I had just steamed it and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's already wrinkled. So here's a thinner belt versus that thicker belt. Let's see what this looks like. Let me know what you guys think. But I really just love, I've been watching The Pioneer Woman, oh goodness, since she first debuted on the Food Network many years ago. So you can find me on Saturday mornings as I'm preparing for a wedding. Most of you, if you don't know, I am a wedding photographer, so we're pretty much working on the weekends photographing weddings and such. But every Saturday morning, 10 o'clock Eastern time, you know The Pioneer Woman is on my TV, and I just love watching her show, listening to her stories, and her recipes are good. I have a few of her cookbooks, and some of the recipes are actually really, really tasty. Especially a long time ago, we made the cinnamon roll recipe of hers. Now, I made a lot of cinnamon rolls, but oh my gosh, they were so good, guys. So if you've not tried out her cinnamon roll recipe, I definitely recommend checking that out. So, and I know you guys know, most of you know, at least I am kind of gluten-free. I do watch my sugar and stuff, but yeah, at that time I ate it all. So it was worth every morsel, every bite was so worth it. But yeah, I just, like I said, every Saturday morning, 10 a.m. Eastern time, I am watching her show. I also have it on Sundays, rerun. I love watching the Food Network, the cooking shows, but her in particular is one of my all-time favorites. But anyway, so this is paired with the thinner belt. What do you guys think? Oh, no, I do not like the thinner belt. I don't like how it's kind of, see how I kind of have that shape, like just like a square. So I feel like the thinner belt is nicer, or thinner. I feel like the thicker belt does look nicer versus the thinner one. Let me know what you guys think, but let's see here. Yeah, because it's just a little too flowy. Maybe if it was in an extra small, I could get away with not wearing the belt, but I like the way it looks with the thicker belt, kind of doing it just like this, pulling that over just a little bit. No, I think that's sweet. And then here you go, back it up again. Let me do a whole turnaround so you can see the whole back and everything. But yeah, this is a very very fun and flowy dress. So, all right, the next piece I have is actually a cardigan, and cardigan. Am I saying that right? So, but I actually had to wear this last night. We had a cold front coming through, and we were photographing a wedding on the beach. Oh, it was a beautiful day out, guys. There were blue skies. It was sunny, not a cloud in the sky at all, but it dropped down to 48 degrees. So, and on a wedding day, I'm usually wearing a black dress. I have my black leggings on and such. So I had ordered this cardigan from the Pioneer Woman, size small. This is called, let's see, what do they call this? Okay, I hope I'm saying this right. It's the Floral Jacquard. I hope I'm saying that right. I don't know. But anyways, basically what it means is it's not printed or embroidered or anything like that, or a dyed material. It's sewn in. The material's all woven together right over here. I'm gonna try this on for you guys, but I will say it feels great. And you know, it did pretty good keeping me warm. So now it did drop down to 48 degrees, but for the most part, it kept me warm throughout the wedding. But let me try this on and I'll be right back. All right, here's the cardigan. It is the floral print. I paid $12.99. This is a size small, but it is soft. It has a good weight to it, guys. It has a little bit of a bounce to it and nice and stretchy, as you can see. Let me bring that in closer for you. Can you see that nice stretch? But look at that material, how it's all woven in together. Very nice. Let me back up for you. It has two pockets over here on the sides, which is really nice, but definitely, you know, it's just kind of, you pull it over, there's no buttons or anything like that. But yeah, this is definitely a very nice cardigan. I'm really happy with the quality and the thickness of this, especially for $12.99. Not bad at all. Now, I don't recommend running out in 48-degree weather wearing this all night. I mean, you will get cold, but for the most part, it kept me warm as I was running around photographing the wedding and everything else. But yeah, I just like the way this feels. I thought it looked great with my black dress too, just, you know, added a little something but nothing too crazy and everything. So this would be perfect for the office or wearing around the house or running to the store, maybe again with a pair of leggings and such. But yeah, I definitely like this top. So I'll link everything for you guys below, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.